So Engine 101 is on scene now. Friendship Bridge for pilot. And be out. So yeah, Petey's leaving. I'm gonna grab my helmet. Jeez. That's kind of sticky, guys. And then since we're near traffic area, guys, I'm gonna and it's also kind of cold out tonight. That's great. Alright guys, so we're here right now. Yeah, guys, probably caught the call by now. Now, since, Station 63 by the hospital got rid of their ladder truck, or I don't know, I think they got rid of it, or it's out for maintenance, or something like that, but since they did, now Beaver's ladder truck is first due at any call that they have, for a high-rise building like this, There's our ladder truck leaving, seen right now. Jeez, Friendship Bridge has so many fire alarm activations, it's not even funny. We're gonna wait till 63/Braden Township leaves. Go, Station 63. So it looks like Medic Rescue is going to be leaving, and Braden Township is also going to be leaving as well. So they still have their four-ways on. I still think they could turn their, if not their primary lights, their back or front ELS lights on the ambulance. Alright guys, so medic rescue / EMS is leaving at this time. Now, just have to wait for 63 / again, Burton Township's, Alright guys, so Burton Township, FD is leaving right now. Yeah. Just turned their lights off, now they're getting ready. Is that car that just flashed their lights? Or I don't think they flashed their lights, I think somebody walked in front of them. Here they come. Oh no, that wasn't the chief, that was their rescue truck. Alright guys, so we're gonna be 10-8 off of that call. Or 10-8. We're gonna be going back after that call. Power suit. Not my first, I mean my traffic vest / water. Called, I don't know. Waterproof, so that's all that matters. Put this stuff back in the trunk. Ow. Okay, that's dirty. So yeah, get this call. Of course, I had to wear shorts tonight. So yeah, I'm gonna get off of this call, guys. So yeah guys, the updates on this call. Basically it's just a call from Shepherd's. Be first now first due since Burton Township does not have the ladder truck. So yeah. Their ladder is responding to the calls. And yeah, guys, I guess we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.